Hey there YouTube, I'm working on the snowblower today. On Monday night when I got done snowblowing, I parked the snowblower while it was running to move the car, and then all of a sudden when I put the snowblower in gear, the thing didn't want to move. So the day after I took the belly pan off and I found out that this gear right here, the roll pin busted off, which causes the wheels to move. But unfortunately the roll pin's gone and it just goes like this. I originally thought that the drive disc was wet, but it wasn't. The drive disc is in pretty good shape. It looks like a snapper lawnmower drive disc. It's probably the same size. So I went to True Value and I got a roll pin for it, and let's put it in. Well, I got the holes aligned in the shaft and the gear, and I got the roll pin into place, and I'm going to drive it in there with this mini persuader. Yeah, it's coming off the other side. Perfect. Now I'm going to put the belly pan back on, and I'm going to give this thing a test run. And just before I put the belly pan back on, I greased the hex shaft so that way the slider moves back and forth freely and it stays nice and lubricated. And I also greased the chain below here. And now I'm going to put the belly pan back on. The belts are okay, they're pretty new yet. I'm not going to even bother checking them. Well, she's all sealed up now. Now it's time for a test drive, or run. All done. Have a good afternoon. Bye.